Our topic today is this one. We're going to learn how to comparing and how to contrasting something, everyone. Jadi hari ini kita belajar gimana caranya compare is like how to say compare in Indonesia, menggandingkan and then contrasting, highlight on something. Kayak memberi, like you pointing one thing, you highlighting something. How to say contrast in Indonesia? I cannot find like ya maybe contrast is contrast. In Indonesia we have this kind of word, everyone. Ya, hari ini kita belajar comparing and contrasting. So mostly we're going to learn the comparative form of everyone, comparative and superlative. Jadi topik kita hari ini adalah comparative and superlative. Okay, and today okay, we have the phrases, the common phrases that we use to compare to thing, everyone. Jadi kita punya common phrases. It's like basic phrases that we use to compare to things. Jadi bentuk basic kalau misal kita mau membandingkan sesuatu, teman-teman. The basic things would be using comparative form, and then after using comparative form, then we use then. Okay, what is comparative form? Jadi comparative form itu apa? Comparative itu bentuk perbandingan ya, teman-teman ya. Bentuk perbandingan. Nah, kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia nanti ini diartikan lebih. Kayak misal lebih pendek, lebih tinggi, lebih baik, and so on, everyone. Nah, bentuk komparatif itu sebenarnya ada dua. We have like two different comparative form. Yang pertama ada irregular. Irregular, jadi bentuk komparatif dengan kata aslinya itu beda, teman-teman. Contohnya misal good. Nah, good ini bentuk komparatifnya nanti jadi better. Bentuk superlatifnya jadi best. That's a irregular comparative, everyone. Nah, ini masuknya ke comparative ke dalam bentuk irregular. And it's not all words are irregular comparative, jadi nggak semua kata masuknya ke comparative irregular. It's only some words, everyone. Jadi cuma beberapa kata aja, and it's already being list. Jadi nggak sebanyak irregular verb ya, teman-teman. Nanti kalian bisa cari. But now we're going to learn how to make regular comparative. Comparative. Jadi kita belajar gimana sih cara bikin regular comparative. Nah, kita punya kata yang harus kita akhiri dengan er, and then kata yang harus kita awali dengan more. Nah, we have syllable. What is syllable? Syllable ini suku kata ya, teman-teman ya. Jadi, untuk tahu katanya akan kita akhiri dengan er atau awali dengan more, itu kita harus hitung dulu syllable-nya, kita hitung dulu suku katanya. Kalau misal ada satu kata yang jumlah syllable-nya atau suku katanya itu satu atau dua, kayak misal contohnya cold. Let's say took example of cold. Jadi cold, it's only one. So the comparative form would be cold and then add with er, colder. Colder. Atau misal let's say happy. Happy, it's only two syllable. Jadi cuma dua suku kata. So we end er behind the word. Nah, tapi kalau misal ada satu kata yang akhirannya akhirannya atau jumlah suku katanya, bukan akhirannya, jumlah suku katanya itu 3 atau lebih, teman-teman, atau lebih dari 2 syllable, you need to start with more behind the word. For example, we have the word interesting. Nah, kita coba hitung ya suku katanya interesting. It's 4. Jadi kita harus mengawalinya dengan more interesting. More interesting. more exhausting, misal more exhausting. Oke, nah tapi maybe like this one. Tapi kadang biasanya teman-teman like the common mistake would be people are quite often using more when they already have ER comparative form. Misal contohnya more colder. Ini nggak boleh ya teman-teman ya. Kalau misal kalian udah pakai bentuk komparatif yang akhirannya ER, berarti kalian nggak boleh pakai more. You're not allowed to use more. More happier, you cannot allow to use more happier. Terus gimana caranya kalau misal kita mau bilang jauh lebih bahagia atau jauh lebih mahal atau jauh lebih menyenangkan? If we cannot add ER, if we cannot add more behind the before the ER form, ER comparative form. So what we need to do is kita bisa modifikasi ya teman-teman. We can modify this one. Jadi kalian nggak pakai double comparative form. Oke, jadi kalau misal kalian mau menekankan kalau perbedaannya itu sangat besar. So there is a big differences. You want to put highlight that there's a big differences. Jadi sebelum bentuk IR atau more, teman-teman kalian bisa menambahkan kata far or much. Far or much, everyone. Jadi kayak tadi, it's not more colder, but you can add much colder or far colder, everyone. Jadi bisa diganti-ganti ya teman-teman ya. The road is far greater than the road to, or the road is much greater than the road to. And the problem is much more complicated, or you can say far more complicated. Nah, jadi jangan pakai dua bentuk komparatif bersamaan ya teman-teman ya. Jadi you cannot say more greater, or you cannot say more, you cannot say more greater. Jadi kalian nggak bisa istilahnya pakai dua bentuk komparatif more greater ya teman-teman. Nah, jadi ada dua kata alternatif kalau misal kalian mau menekankan kalau perbedaannya besar. You can use far and much. Terus kalau perbedaannya kecil, if there's like a small differences, jadi nanti kalian bisa pakai little or slightly. Little or slightly after before before the comparative form. Little greater or slightly slightly greater, or you can use slightly more complicated, or you can use a little more complicated. Ingat ya teman-teman, don't use double comparative form. Jadi jangan pakai comparative form yang double. Sebenarnya ini agak sedikit sulit because I used to be in the phase where I quite often using double comparative. Jadi saya juga ada di fase dimana saya sering banget pakai komparatif dalam bentuk IR, kemudian saya tambahkan more. And it's okay, like just make yourself get used to. Nah, and now, jadi kita coba ya teman-teman ya. Tapi, tapi sayang ya, ini aturannya seperti ini, like they make this kind of rule to make comparative form. Tapi sometimes they also break it, everyone. Tapi kadang juga, di ini juga ya teman-teman. So maybe now let's change all of this word into a comparative form. Jadi kita coba ubah kata ini ke dalam bentuk komparatif ya teman-teman ya. Unmute everyone here. Jadi semuanya udah di unmute teman-teman. Let's do it together. Start from Wendy. Yes. It's not mute everyone. Jadi udah nggak di mute ya teman-teman. Like you can turn on your microphone by now. Nah, udah kan. Nah, di sini ada Wendy. What do you think the comparative form of Wendy? Menurut kalian, bentuk komparatif dari Wendy itu apa ya, teman-teman ya?
Windier.
More windy.
Windier.
Windier atau more windy? Kenapa windier?
More.
Only two
It
syllable.
More
consists
windy.
of
Syllabus.
2 syllables.
1D. 1D. So it's
Two
only
syllable.
two
Two syllable.
syllable. So that's why the comparative form would be
One dear.
windier. Windier. And then next is expensive.
More expensive.
More
More
expensive.
Kenapa pakai more expensive?
Three
Consist
syllable.
Yeah,
Four.
because it's three
Three.
expensive.
Yeah.
3 syllable. More expensive.
3 syllables.
Okay, and then expensive, mahal. The next one is cold.
Colder.
Colder.
Colder. Why it's colder?
Only one
Only
syllable.
one syllable.
Only one syllable. Okay, and then the next one is comfortable.
More
comfortable.
comfortable.
More
Comfortable.
comfortable. More comfortable. Nah, kalau worthless, tidak berguna.
More worthless.
Ya, kalau worthless ini pakainya more ya, teman-teman ya.
What?
More worthless. It's like pengecualian biasanya yang akhirannya less ini you cannot make it like comparative form end with er even though they only 2 syllable everyone. Then you change using more worthless. Oke, kalau unhappy,
Unhappier. Happier.
unhappier. Padahal 3 ya, teman-teman ya. Yes. Unhappier because the un is not counted. Biasanya un-nya nggak dihitung, teman-teman. It's like namanya kalau di bahasa Inggris apa ya? Prefix. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken. Kalau happy, what about happy?
Happier.
Here.
Happier. Yes. And
Happy.
then the next one,
Hotter.
Hotter.
hotter. Why it's hotter?
Only one syllable.
Only one syllable. And then next, edible.
More edible.
More edible.
More edible.
Edible.
Do you know what the meaning of edible?
No. Bisa dimakan.
Bisa dimakan. More edible. Nah, kalau bisa dimakan ini namanya edible. Kalau bisa dilihat namanya apa nih, teman-teman?
Visible.
Ya, visible.
Sis, mau nanya,
Ya, sis Angel.
itu kenapa hot itu T-nya double?
Oke. Nah, ini ada kalau misal ada kata yang CVC. Jadi ada kata yang 3 huruf terakhirnya itu konsonan, vokal, dan konsonan. Konsonan, vokal, dan konsonan, then you have to double the last letter. Yeah, and then add with ER. Jadi ini aturannya namanya CVC. C, konsonan. Konsonan itu huruf selain A, I, U, E, O. Terus ada huruf selain A, I, U, E, O, ketemu huruf A, I, U, E, O, sama ketemu huruf konsonan lagi. Nah, biasanya kalian harus double huruf terakhir sebelum kalian tambahin istilahnya sufiks kata akhiran ya, teman-teman. Kalau di sini akhirannya IR. Sama aja when you want to change like plan. Plan kan 3 huruf terakhirnya. Kalau P-nya kita hapus itu ada L, E, N. L-nya konsonan, E-nya konsonan, N-nya konsonan. Nah, misal kalian mau tambah ED. Jadi N-nya harus kita double baru kita tambah ED. This one. Jadi setiap kali kalian nemu ini ya teman-teman, terus kalian mau nambahin satu akhiran. Entah itu IR, entah itu IST, ID. Biasanya IST, ID. Nah, you have to double the last letter and then add the suffix everyone. Jadi nanti kalian tambahin huruf akhirannya. Begitu. I hope it answer your question.
Thank you, sis.
My pleasure. And then ya, kita lanjut. Tadi bisa dilihat visible. Kalau misal bisa didengar. How to call something that can be listened?
Audible.
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 audible. Kalau bisa bisa didengar, bisa dimakan, bisa bisa disentuh ya, bisa disentuh.
Touchable.
Touchable.
Tangible,
Tangible.
tangible. Yes, ini bisa disentuh. Oke. Ada yang baru datang. Oke, so that's all for contrasting everyone. Nah, mungkin ada pertanyaan nggak terkait not contrasting, I mean like comparing. Ini membandingkan teman-teman. Jadi karena ini comparing, so you have to had two different things to be compared everyone. Jadi kalian harus punya dua hal yang berbeda untuk di compare ya teman-teman ya. Because it's a comparing. Oke, ini ya comparingnya ada dalam bentuk ER, which mean like two syllable, and then more that if the word is three or more syllable. Harusnya ada S-nya ya. Nah, and then ini termasuk dalam bentuk comparing teman-teman, but when you did comparing, you don't have to comparing to different things. Or in IELTS material, we call this one as contrasting. Jadi contrasting teman-teman. When you use contrasting, you will be use superlative form. Jadi kalau misal kalian mau mengkontraskan sesuatu, nah kalian bisa pakai superlative form. What's the difference between superlative form and comparative form? Jadi bedanya apa antara superlatif dan komparatif? Nah, kalau superlatif itu kalau diartikan ke dalam bahasa Indonesia ini nanti jadinya paling, teman-teman. Paling. Misal kita punya yang tadi irregular, good. Bentuk superlatif dari good jadinya best. Best. Nah, jadi kalau misal kalian pakai bentuk superlatif, you don't have to compare to different things. Jadi kalian nggak usah membandingkan dua hal yang berbeda. Oke, just highlighting one single things. Jadi kalian cuma mengkontras atau meng-highlight satu benda aja ya teman-teman. Nah, bedanya adalah sebenarnya nanti penggunaannya sama aja teman-teman. It's almost same with the way we comparing using comparative form. Bedanya cuma kalau misal superlatif kita pakainya EST for word that one or two syllable. Jadi kalau misal kita mau bikin bentuk superlatif itu sama ya caranya dengan kita pakai bentuk komparatif. Kita pakai EST untuk kata yang jumlahnya cuma satu atau dua syllable dan pakai most. Most for more than two. More than two. Oke, jadi misal yang kata yang tadi teman-teman, kita mau bikin bentuk superlatif dari windy. Kalau windier kan tadi lebih berangin. Nah, sekarang ini paling berangin. Jadinya windiest. Windiest. Okay, windiest. And then the next one is most expensive. Most expensive. Paling mahal. Oke, sama ya, karena expensive ini ada 3 suku kata. 4. Tiga. Oke, nah sebenarnya kalau misal kalian udah pakai superlatif, teman-teman, you don't have like variation. Kalian nggak usah pakai variation because you just highlighting one things. So for example, the US is the biggest consumer oil in the world and the most time-consuming part of the process. The most time-consuming part of the process. Ini jadi sebenarnya udah cukup. But sometimes you want to put a highlight. Jadi kalian kayak mau meng-highlight teman-teman. This like a little bit too much, but some people often use this one. Jadi sebenarnya kalau pakai superlatif udah nggak perlu modified lagi ya teman-teman. Beda sama comparative. But sometimes ya, you want to maybe like a little bit show off, and you want to sounds like a little bit too much, and it's okay actually. Nah, kalian bisa tambah by far sebelum bentuk superlative. Jadi misal the US is by far the biggest. Um, Surabaya is by far the hottest city on earth. Oh, in Indonesia, I mean, the hottest city in Indonesia. Misal contohnya gitu ya, teman-teman ya. Nah, any question about comparing and contrasting? Kira-kira ada pertanyaan nggak terkait comparing dan contrasting? If no, then we move to other way. Kita ke bab selanjutnya. Jadi selain pakai bentuk superlatif dan komparatif, kita juga bisa pakai ini teman-teman. We use as phrase. Kita bisa pakai as and as phrase. Jadi sebenarnya kalau misal kalian pakai ini, you just want to show that they are similar. Jadi kalian mau mengungkapkan kalau misal ini itu sebenarnya sama. For example, my boyfriend is as old as my boyfriend is as old as my brother. Now, when you say something like this, it means they are in the same age. Jadi kalau misal kalian bilang seperti ini, mereka ini umurnya sama. Noh, kok bisa ini jadi bentuk komparatif? Nah, so we make a variation everyone. Jadi kita tambahin katanya, tambahin kata biar ini bisa jadi bentuk komparatif. Kata yang bisa kita pakai adalah nearly, hampir. When you said my boyfriend is nearly as old as my brother. Okay, so it means your boyfriend is slightly younger. Slightly younger, sedikit lebih muda daripada kakakmu. Slightly younger. And then you can use the word twice. My boyfriend is twice older. Bisa pakai twice atau bisa pakai maybe like 1 year or like twice. Twice itu 2 kali lipat ya berarti ya teman-teman ya. 1 year or like 3 years. 3 years as older as my bro. Your BF is older. Nah, so this one, how we comparing something everyone. Okay, so do you have any question? Kira-kira ada pertanyaan nggak nih teman-teman? Kalau nggak mungkin kita coba dulu ya. Let's try to compare this one. Jadi sebenarnya topik kita hari ini diskusi. We had like discussion. So that's why I make it quite fast. Because like you've been not doing discussion in quite a long time. Jadi biasanya diskusi kita cuma 10-15 menit. So today I hope we can make it longer. Tapi sebenarnya kita coba dulu. So how would you like to compare between pizza and noodles? Nah, kalian bisa pakai kata yang ada di sini, teman-teman. Or you can think other word. It's okay. Ada yang mau coba? Anyone would like to try? Maybe like Bro Darsono. How would you like to compare between pizza and noodles? Pizza itu lebih apa dari mie?
Pizza,
Mm-mm.
pizza more healthy.
Okay.
than noodles.
Healthier. Kan
Oh,
healthy. Healthy kan dua
pizza,
suku kata.
pizza healthier
Pizza
than,
is
oh, sorry. Pizza is healthier than noodles.
in what way? In what way pizza is healthier? Kenapa pizza lebih sehat?
Katain dokter.
Oh, okay. The doctor said, yeah.
Ya, itu dokter said.
The doctor said.
Terutama
Okay.
mie-nya yang katanya kurang sehat, kurang apa namanya ya, kurang bagus lah.
Yeah, I mean like eating noodles in like frequent occasion will do dirty. I mean like will cause disadvantage to your body. Yes. So pizza is healthier than noodles. And then the next one, maybe how would you like to compare between plane and train? Maybe Sis Diana.
Thank you, Miss.
Mm-mm.
Maybe plane is quiet than train.
Berarti kalau quiet itu quieter or more quiet?
Oh, okay. Quieter
Plane is
than train.
quieter than train. Oh, oke.
Yeah.
Lebih sunyi ya.
Yeah.
Bukannya malah berisik itu ada suara rel ya. I thought that it would be like more noisy because you can hear the sound of the train pace the railway.
But I would the plane in the
Mm-mm.
first plane maybe
You experience turbulence.
yeah. Oh, okay, yeah.
Jadi
I
kayak
think quite here maybe in the train we can find like pet maybe
mm-mm.
you
No
can bring
pet.
yeah
Oh, okay. It's like
maybe
so.
I don't know because in Aceh there is no train so
Oh, I see.
yeah
Yeah. Then come to Java Island and try to
when
try
I
to
when
ride a
I
plane, ride a
yeah
train. I mean.
when I internship in the Surabaya
Mm-mm.
I usually use the train and I think the plane is better.
Okay. Yeah, plane is better because it's much more expensive.
Yeah.
Okay, sis. Thank you, sis Diana. So
Thank
yeah,
you, Miss.
plane is quieter than train. And then the next one, how would you like to compare between Bro Adin, maybe like washing dishes and cleaning the floor. Ada nggak nih? No, jadi kita ke Sis Aisyah. How would you like to compare between washing dishes and cleaning the floor?
I think washing dishes
Mm-mm.
faster than cleaning the floor.
Yeah, washing dishes faster than cleaning the floor. So which one would you prefer to do?
Washing dishes
Washing dishes. Why?
because I'm using
Oh, okay.
dishes machine.
Oh, you use wash disher?
Yes.
I see. I don't like washing
Ini
dishes.
cuci piring ya?
Yeah, washing dishes like
Oh,
cuci piring.
no. Because my dishes is not what is this?
Not a lot.
Banyaknya, not a lot.
Okay, you don't have many dishes to
Yes.
be washed. So you prefer washing dishes.
Yes.
I don't like
Because I
washing
love
dishes.
playing water too.
Oh, I see. I've I don't like washing dishes. I don't know why. So I don't like everything about washing. So yeah, you prefer washing dishes because it's faster. I bet your house might be quite wide. Jadi ini rumahnya pasti lebar banget ini, makanya it takes a long time to done this one. And then next, coba kita where's the boy here? Ini ada computer and phone. Maybe Prudendiv, maybe. How would you like to compare between computer and phone?
I'm sorry, Mrs. Afi, I can't speak right now.
Oh, okay, it's okay. Now maybe like Bro Giras, how would you like to compare between computer and phone?
Using a phone is easier than using a computer
Mm, why? Why do you think so?
because using a phone is more practical than using a computer.
I see. Okay, it's more practical. But I I personally love to use my computer better than I use my phone. I don't know why. Because phone is so small. Maybe because I have some problem with my eye seeing, so I prefer seeing something big. And now we got this one. Ini ada, aduh dong, ini nggak ada yang mau resen apa? Reading and watching TV. How would you like to compare between reading and watching TV? How would you like to compare between reading and watching TV, Sis Yulia? Sis Yulia? Nah, unmute the microphone first.
Yes, thank you.
Yes. Nah, my pleasure. How would you like to compare between reading
Okay.
and watching TV?
Yes, for me, reading is more exciting than watching television.
Okay, reading is more exciting.
Exciting, yes.
Then, oh, you like reading a book?
Mm-mm. Okay, more than watching television.
I see. What book that you have just read this month? Habis baca buku apa nih, sis?
Wow, textbook.
Oh, textbook.
Yes,
I see.
textbooks.
I thought you love book.
Textbooks
Textbook. Okay,
and
so like
magazines.
magazine. It's like not
Yes.
novel or something.
I think yes, I don't like novel.
Oh, you don't like
I
novel?
think yes, because actually I think it's not. Oh yeah, it's not interesting for me because
Okay.
it's not real.
It's not real.
It's not real. Yes. So
I love something unreal.
yeah.
But it's
So
okay.
yeah,
Oh,
I
you
prefer
prefer
to
read
just
like
reading
non-fiction book.
yeah, non-fiction book like
I
magazine,
see.
newspaper. Okay.
Okay. I thought you love book. Then maybe I'd like to sharing something. Oh ya, kalau misalnya ada yang suka buku, teman-teman, if you like reading a book, then let's be friend. I have account that I used to post my book review. Nah, so we have this topic, everyone. This is like the topic that you might need to discuss, and while discussing this one, you might need to use comparative form, everyone. Ini kalau 20 tahun mungkin kelamaan ya. Jadi maybe like be replaced into 5 years. So how is where you live or your hometown different from how it was 5 years ago? Jadi perbedaan tempat tinggal kalian sekarang dengan 5 tahun yang lalu itu apa sih, teman-teman? Maybe 5 years ago, my hometown is quieter than now. Is quieter than now. Mungkin lebih sepi daripada sekarang. And then, do you prefer to cook or eat out? Jadi kalian lebih suka masak atau lebih suka makan di luar? Kenapa? Nah, nanti kalian juga membandingkan antara cook and eat out. Okay, I prefer to cook. Uh, I prefer to eat out because it's more simple, for example. That's how we use comparison in real conversation. And then how do you think people's diet will be different in 20 years time? Jadi menurut kalian pola makan orang ini akan berbeda nggak sih dalam 20 tahun ke depan? Karena misal contohnya orang-orang akan makan lebih lebih banyak makanan sehat atau lebih banyak junk food sih di masa yang akan datang. Atau kira-kira orang 20 tahun lagi makannya apa ya? Atau jangan-jangan orang nggak perlu makan lagi karena mereka bisa punya obat yang bisa mencukupi kebutuhan nutrisi. For example, like comparing people diet now and then people diet in 20 years time. Jadi kalian bandingin orang sekarang itu mungkin makanya lebih unhealthy. Like people nowadays and are eating much unhealthier food compared to people in the future. Mungkin gitu ya. And then how is the food in your country different to the other place that you have been or know about? Jadi bedanya makanan di Indonesia sama makanan di Malaysia mungkin atau di Singapura atau di Thailand atau kalau misal belum pernah keluar negeri mungkin bedanya makanan tradisional di tempat kalian sama makanan tradisional di tempat lain. So for example, Balinese food is much spicier than Japanese food. Misal gitu ya teman-teman ya. And then the next one, how do you picture your life in 2025? Kira-kira kehidupan kalian di tahun 2025 itu bakal lebih apa sih teman-teman? How will it be different? When did you last go on holiday? Terakhir kali liburan kemana? How does it compare to other place? Kalau dibandingin tempat lain, kira-kira tempat liburan kalian itu gimana teman-teman? I went to Bali and it's more expensive than other places that I have ever been. And then the next one, do you feel your English is improving? Menurut kalian bahasa Inggris kalian ini meningkat nggak sih teman-teman? Apa yang meningkat? And then is people health in your country getting better or worse? Jadi kesehatan orang di negara kalian itu uh, lebih baik atau lebih buruk kira-kira teman-teman? What evidence do you have for that point of view? Nah, menurut kalian, opini kalian gimana teman-teman? Kenapa lebih baik? Kenapa lebih buruk? Nah, that's all everyone. So that's something you need to discuss in a breakout room. Ada berapa ini? How many people here? Oh ya, Sis Juju. Do you have any question?
No.
Oh, oke. Nah, jadi kita diskusi di ini ya, teman-teman. Let's discussing something on the breakout room. Okay, hello. Hi everyone. Tadi gimana teman-teman? How was the discussion in the breakout room? Did you guys have the like
Aduh,
did you guys Aduh gimana?
aduh,
Aduh belum
Nggak,
sempat. Belum
belum
selesai ya
sempat.
Sicily.
baru number 1.
Oh baru number 1. Okay, so like you get a nice topic. Kalau misal kalian ada waktu, like you can make a discussion in Discord later, everyone. But yeah, unfortunately, I still have a class after this, so I cannot make it little bit long, everyone. Biasanya kalau nggak ada kelas jam 9 ya, I sometimes quit the class at 9:30. But unfortunately, I still have a class. Anyway, thank you so much everyone for coming today. Kita ketemu lagi besok ya, teman-teman ya. Have a good rest, everyone. See you tomorrow.
See
Good
you.
night, everyone.
See you.
Thank you.
Bye.